In today's episode, how to remove gritty little dents without sanding. Hello pipe community, Barepipe here, welcome to episode 9. You know when you have a high-end pipe, a beautiful shiny finish, and you put it down on a rough surface, or heaven forbid you drop it on the ground. When you pick it up, you'll find that there's all these gritty little dents in the wood. I wanted to know if it's possible to remove that without sanding the bowl. The reason for that is my next project, this little Ropp Edil, it had a ton of those little dents all over the bowl. And I felt that if I had to sand them all out, I would actually start to change the shape of the bowl. And I didn't want to do that. So I did some research in terms of what high-end furniture makers do to remove dents in wood, and discovered that they use steam. And the steam swells up the wood fibers, lifts them, and actually restores the wood to its original shape. So the question was, can it be scaled down to work on a pipe? And secondly, would briar wood, being as hard as it is, be susceptible to a technique like that? So I did some experiments. I'm going to show you what I did. I think I landed on a solution that works, and I'm pretty excited about it because I think this will be part of my arsenal for future use. So let me share it with you. What I have here is a Ropp pipe. It's a Edil Deluxe, and it has a variety of little dings and scratches in the wood. You can see it there if you look against the light. There you can see one right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a damp piece of paper towel over that. And I'm going to take a knife blade, and I'm going to heat this over the flame here. And this might take a minute. Now warm it up. And then press down to make some steam. You heard that sizzling sound there. I wonder if I actually just use my lighter. I might actually get better heat out of this than out of the candle. There we go. Okay, that was not working very well, so I am going to try a different technique. Have my water. I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to hold a longer period of heat. To really drive the steam in. Oh, much better. That one is almost completely gone. So you hold it until it stops steaming. And I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, probably not, but the little dents are all but gone. The marks from the dents is still there, but it's not recessed into the wood anymore. You know, you don't have the little dimples anymore. So I think a very, very light sanding will remove the remaining little marks. and if I feel with my nail, I actually can't feel a little indent anymore. In fact, one of them is now actually poking out. There's a little bit of dirt there that's come off. It's actually raised out of the wood. So yeah, that works. So I think in summary, it works if you have lots of moisture and lots of steam for quite a few minutes that you hold on it, and you got to do it repeatedly for a few times to get the wood to really lift out properly. Of course, you destroy the varnish or any of the wax that's on the wood, so you'd have to re-wax it and refinish it, but it works. So if you have a bunch of small little dings in a pipe and you wanted to take them out without sanding the pipe, this could be a technique that you can use. Or if you wanted to do just very, very light sanding, this could be a way of doing that. So yeah, I think this works. I found a new technique that I like, and I'll be using it in the future. And with that, I think I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Until next time.